Good afternoon. I am Jordan Madden, 17-year-old student at Georgia State University. Growing up, I learned a very old saying that still rings true to this day. Um, those who, those, sorry, those who do not learn from the past are doomed to repeat it. H. Bill 1084 is a bill that fixes a solution that does not exist. For starters, this bill removes important history that brings light to what is going on today. History like the dark lights of America's founding. History like Georgia's strong support to remove the Cherokee Nation from their sacred land, and so much more history that I can go on and on about. This place, where the Civil War ranged from the mountains of the Appalachian to the coast of Savannah and the hard Piedmont rocks between, where the birth of the civil rights movement was born, where historical oppression now in this day and age lives. This place, this great state is rooted in some very dark history that is important for us to learn. I do not support H. Bill 1084 because it allows people like me to continue to be left behind, bared from the history that is within my culture and teaching our history, our great and dark America, our great and dark Georgia, a history that defines who we are. This bill will continue to dismiss a history that needs to be said. I want to emphasize a true biblical saying really quickly. Romans 8:28 says all things work together for good. It doesn't say all things are good or all things will be good. It says all things work together for good. The important history, all of that history, as the sponsor, Representative Wade, has stated, the good, the bad, and the ugly. I truly believe this bill is important. This bill is very crucial. In moving forward, we must find a solution that includes all history, especially the ones who show this state, this country in a positive light and negative light, because that shows us who we are. Georgia will not always be good, but Georgia will always have history that works together for good. That includes the bad history. To close, Georgia will always have scars. I truly believe that if we want to learn and grow to be better Georgians, better Americans, we must show those scars and allow them to heal and learn from that history so we may not doom ourselves to repeat it. Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you, committee.